we went to Agona Due, which is a pizzeria near our house. Enrico is eating a Siciliana. Good Siciliana pizza. Basically, Sicilia means Sicily. It's pronounced Sicilia. And so olives, asciughe, which are sardines, I guess, and mozzarella, and I don't know what else. And I got a corn pizza.
Also asciughe.
Yeah, I said I got one with corn. You might think Asian people are weird to eat pizza with corn, but I like it actually. So I'm fine with that. And asciughe are very salty, right? Is it too salty? I asked for olive oil to put on top, but olive oil with chili. Rico's getting a piece for me, and we got the olive oil. And a spicy one?
And a normal one.
Exactly.
Ecco, and this is?
For me, oh no, I have to eat it. How do I eat it? Okay, put it there. I'm going to eat it. It's Chileana. I will give Enrico a piece of mine too. Damage? How? Damage was done. Look what we did. We did it. I left the crust. It's okay, guys. It's not rude to leave a little bit. Yay. This is dessert. Chocolate merengue. This is meringue, whatever you call it. We're waiting in line in Slovenia for the meat. And here you can get bear meat and deer meat and wild boar meat. Orso means bear. What's the Freyja doing here? What are you doing there? What's the Freyja doing? Look how huge these clovers are. Like seriously? That's a big clover. What happened? Hi Enrico!
Ciao!
I have a present for you.
What is? Let's see.
Let's open it.
Oi, 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 a big... Look! It's nice. What's the name in English?
It's a raspberry macaroon.
Wow, and the other one?
The other one?
Let's see.
This is a coffee macaroon.
Wow. Che buono.
Try one.
Mmm.
It's good.
Did you try before?
I tried it one time. Let's see.
It's good, eh?
Wait, yeah. And then Freyja wants to come in. Open the door. She was out. She was out for a few hours. But does she really want to come in? Yes, she does. Sometimes she waits for a long time. There's a different cat in our balcony. Can you see that little cat in our balcony? That Freyja. It's the middle of the night and we get visitors. They just know that there's food here. Oh, can you see? It's a different cat. Now, this is a bit of a scaredy cat. And if I try to open the door or anything, he'll run away. He or she.